kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a simple and easy house using shapes. So grab your black marker.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a triangle at the top. This will be the roof of our house. Now, draw a big rectangle right under the roof. That's the main part of the house. Time to draw a door. Then draw a window beside the door. Let's make our drawing even prettier. Draw 2 flower trees, one on each side of the house. Draw the land under the house and a road leading to the door. Finally, draw a bright sun in the sky to make our picture cheerful. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens and let's start. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Sky blue color. Wow! It looks so colorful and beautiful. Great work, little artists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.